Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto E15 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, which will extend the list of visible toggles. And on one of the pages we should have our screen recording toggle, which for me it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up this window, then you choose what audio will be recorded, and if the touches also will be visible on the screen recording, meaning where your finger was tapping the display. Now I'm going to keep it at the default state, so I'm just going to select start. This begins a 3-second countdown, and then with the notification starts recording. So whatever I'll open right now will be recorded. So if I open up something like contacts, that will be visible in the recording. And once I'm done recording, I can just pull down notifications again, and here we'll select stop. And that's all I need to do. Now, I want to also point out you will be limited to what you can actually record. There are certain applications that will block screen recorders. Said applications, for instance, include apps like bank applications or streaming applications like Netflix. And for bank applications, it's more reasonable, as that's done to protect the privacy and security of the user, while streaming applications protect the security and privacy of the corporate pieces of trash. So for reasons that if you want to download something from Netflix, stuff like that, I highly recommend checking out, for instance, CloudStream on GitHub. You can thank me later. It's going to be a much better alternative to using that garbage spyware called Netflix or any other streaming applications, as it literally just packs every kind of streaming platform inside of it for free. But anyway, going back to the screen recording, let's open up our gallery application right over here, and I'm going to select continue, and here you can see the screen recording. Now later on down the line it might be easier to find your screen recordings and albums, which will be right here where you have folders. Come on, there we go, folders, and you will find a folder called movies. In here you'll find also video recordings from your camera, but it's going to already be easier to just locate screen recordings in here, between screen recordings and the videos that have captured, compared to basically all the media and the main photos tab. Anyway, tapping on it, you can view it from here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.